Nguyama, the lion, believed by African people to be a beast of contrasting characteristics. Powerful, but also gentle. Courageous, but also merciful. Fearsome, but content to avoid conflict when that conflict is not a challenge to his sovereignty. In the animal kingdom, a kingdom filled with all manner of royalty, nobility and underlings, the lion rules supreme, standing head and shoulders above the rest. And so it is in the world of security, where one company has set the standard, taken the lead, and partnered with its clients to provide a professional and effective security service to leaders in commerce and industry. Gremic Security, founded in 1995, grew out of the need to establish an integrated security company with well-trained officers supported by a variety of high-tech security and control systems.
Gremic, in an industry point of view, is probably the most professional service provider in the marketplace.
Our business is built on service. Our business is built on the best possible, excellent service that we can provide to any client.
Since its establishment, the company has grown its service and client base, with regional branches established in all major cities in South Africa.
Having to have this business growing to where it is now, over that period has meant we've designed and built up systems. Those systems kind of ensure that we don't drop catches.
Gremic is an exceptional company because it's got people in it that really are extremely dedicated and extremely passionate and actually live Gremic.
You've got a company that's growing every day, it's taken advantage of the opportunities are there, good management, good staff, and that's what really excites us in them.